Look at this, you guys. Welcome to the 11th floor of Disney's Contemporary Resort. We are here for our room tour. We are staying in room 4734. This is a theme park view. It is December 31st, 2025. We are here for the fireworks. One night stay only. Let's go check this room out. So this hotel opened on October 1st, 1971 with the Magic Kingdom and the Polynesian. I have watched a lot of room tours in the past couple of days, and they all waste time on showing you things like the sink and the closet. But as I do in most of my room tours, I'm taking you right to the money shot and the reason you're probably staying in a room like this. The theme park view. And there it is. Space Mountain, Tron, the castle. The Christmas tree is still up in all its glory. The lights came on as soon as we walked in the door. Fantastic. Off in the distance, the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian Resort, Seven Seas Lagoon. The monorail's coming and going. The balcony, not as deep as I would have thought it was, but spacious enough. A couple of chairs out here and a table. There's the other chair. And there's the monorail out in front of the theme park. Really looking forward to the fireworks. There are two performances, one at 7:30 tonight, and then one towards midnight, obviously, to ring in the new year. So those are going to be on our channels. We're going to live stream, I think, one or both of those, and then it'll be in video, so just look for it on our channel if you want to see that. It's going to be spectacular. I can't wait. I just don't want to go in. This is really why we're staying here. This room cost us a boatload of money. It was over... it's almost $1,500, $1,480. They rethemed these rooms to The Incredibles a couple years ago. I think it was about 2 years ago. So there's Edna Mode. I like it. A lot of people have been complaining about it. I have nothing to compare it to. We've never stayed here before. But I really like the mid-century modern vibe in here. This is kind of our speed. It's got a Palm Springs kind of vibe. Look at the McDonald family. I love it. We could get them to say Magical McDee's. That might be even cooler. But I like it. There's a carpet here down here. I like the tile floors. For rooms that were refurbished a couple of years ago, I think they're still in really great condition. I haven't really seen anywhere around the edges. There's a little bit of a hidden Mickey here. Not so hidden. Frozone pillow. But I love it. I think I like the Incredibles touches. They're very subtle. Even Amber found this. Even in the drawers, a little to-do list for Mr. Incredible, which I really like. It feels very spacious. Again, I don't have anything to compare it to, so I don't know. There's an ottoman that pulls out. I like the couch and how it's kind of has like this built-in feel. This does fold out into a single bed. Plenty of closet space over here. There is what I believe is a cooler. We've got it loaded up. We went ahead and upgraded to Disney's new Premier Drink package, so it comes with alcohol. I'm just kidding. That's not an offering. Disney doesn't do that. This is brought from our house at home. I wish they had that as an offering. But plenty of room here. We've already got it loaded up with our stuff. Everything that you'd need. All the extras. There's an ironing board in here. Extra blankets, extra pillows. Pretty fantastic. Let me reorient here for a second. Let's just go take one more wide shot of the room. Pretty fantastic. I also like how the beds are nice and raised up. Plenty of room underneath if you want to put your luggage down there. So this room could comfortably sleep 5. And again, you're really here for that view. Freaking spectacular. Let's go see it one more time, shall we? Yeah, you can't beat that. We're going to spend a lot of time out here. Pour some drinks. Let me take you guys back to the bathroom. All right, here we go. So Disney's gone with these sliding doors that seem to just be in vogue. Not just the Disney resorts, but at most hotels these days. I'm not a huge fan, but whatever. They are what they are. I prefer a standard locking door. The bathroom, I think, is pretty nice on first glance. I prefer a walk-in shower, but it feels very spacious to me. I like it. There is a, it's not strictly a rainfall shower, which frankly I find those overrated anyways. I much prefer a handheld. It's got that. It's got the products, nice built-in shelf. I like it. This actually looks really cozy. That might be nice to do. It's supposed to be in the 30s tonight, so I might do that. Oh, hello, everybody. Is that like the train from The Incredibles? That's pretty cool. I like that. And I really like, for almost $1,500, we better have some nice looking products in here. 2 sinks, plenty of towels. It's just nice. It's got a nice vibe. And then a separate water closet, again, with a pocket door here. Looks like they got some Jack art. Not much going on in there. But yeah, we are just thrilled to be here. If you want to know all about our adventures, go to our main channel and you'll see our entire stay here. So I think that's going to do it, guys. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment. We'd love to have you along for our future adventures. Until next time, have fun storming the castle and stay magical. Hey everybody, this is Adrian from the future. I just wanted to add in a little bit of bonus content. Thanks again for watching that room tour. But as I mentioned when I was standing on the balcony, we couldn't wait to see the fireworks. It just seemed unfair not to include them. So here for your viewing pleasure is the complete New Year's Eve fireworks show. I will add that it was impossible to film the whole thing within the frame because it was such a big display. They launched fireworks from above the Magic Kingdom, and as you're seeing here, panning over, also from above the lake. So I'm going to shut up now. Enjoy the rest of the fireworks show, and thanks again for watching.
That was amazing.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We're going to go to bed now.
Well, before we sign off, we're sorry that it's a little disjointed because the 7:30 did not include all those extra.
Yeah, we had no idea they were going to come
fireworks.
from right here.
Yeah.
Where all that
They
smoke
were,
is. So it was a lot to take in.
That's Seven Seas Lagoon, right?
Yeah, Seven Seas Lagoon.
So that didn't happen at 7:30.
No.
But you can see the smoke clearing.
Yeah, and look at all the people that showed up down here.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Ooh.
There's a lot of consumed sugar that's making its way out of children's mouths right now.
That was really, really wonderful.
That was spectacular. That's the most impressive fireworks show I've ever seen.
Yeah. Agreed.
Yeah, that was worth the price of admission.
So, if you did tune in, thanks. And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.